This video is for the girlies who want their hair to be long and healthy. They want their skin to be glowing and clear, and they want their nails to be nice, long, and healthy. We're going to be transparent in every video. Every time we're talking about a product, every time we're doing a review, whether I have 60 subscribers or 60 million. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, and over here I talk all things how to live a more beautiful life, how to live healthier, how to live happier. I consider myself a happy, healthy, healed girl, and I want that for you too, okay? So if you are on a journey to living the soft life and being happy, healthy, and healed, definitely subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of content on this very topic to help you on your journey. I've been on this journey for about 2 years now, and let's continue the journey together. Now over here I do a series called World's Best. So today we are reviewing these vitamins here. I have heard of I've known about these since like 2012. And we are talking about, is this the world's best hair, skin, nail vitamins for women? Okay. This is Nature's Bounty hair, skin, nail vitamins. Now, when I first discovered these back in like 2012, 2011, it was the pink ones. These are like an orange color because it's a tropical citrus flavored. I think the other one is strawberry, but they're supposed to have the same health benefits. They just taste differently. And I started this this is a 90-day supply, so I started this about 30 days ago. This flavor, I have a mixture of vitamins. I'm all for trying different vitamins to see what's working best. Sometimes it's a combination of your vitamin choice, your lifestyle, the other things you use. I also, for my skin, I've been using this Black Girl Vitamins Collagen. This is something we can talk about in another video. But we're going to get into these vitamins today. We're going to give a review, and we're going to talk about, is this the world's best vitamins, hair, skin, nail vitamins for women? Let's see if they are as good as they claim to be. Now, these vitamins include biotin. The biotin is the beauty in this. It supports hair and nail strength. These also have vitamin C, which is key for promoting and producing collagen and vibrant skin. These also have vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that supports skin surface health. So this one, like I said, this has there's a strawberry one. This one here is the tropical citrus. So this also has collagen, which supports skin elasticity. So let's talk about what's exactly inside. Now, I know there's talk about how much of each amount of vitamin or type of vitamin we need, and it varies by your ethnic background, by your health conditions, by, do you go outside, do you get sunlight, there's different variables. But let's talk about exactly what's in this bottle. So this bottle, which is the standard Nature's Bounty hair, skin, nail vitamins, it has 2,500 mcg, which is pretty normal and standard. It also has the vitamin C and E. This has 100 mg of collagen, 10 mg of sodium. For vitamin E, it's 6.75 mg. For vitamin C, it's 15 mg. There are 3 grams of carbohydrate and 2 grams of sugar, and it's 15 calories per serving. So this is the 90-day supply. Now let's talk about user feedback. Now, many people have known this. I'm sure y'all have seen this. If you are on your hair, skin, nail growth journey, healthy skin, nails, hair, you've heard of this at some point. Because the thing is, like I said, I've known about these for many years, but I stopped using them to try different things. I love a gummy. I prefer a gummy over having to swallow a pill. I can do both. I don't have issues swallowing, but I love when it tastes good. It doesn't feel like it's vitamins. It doesn't feel like it's medicine or whatever. So I like the gummy, and these taste really good. Many people do report benefits of stronger nails, shinier and healthier looking hair, healthier looking skin, hair growth. And so one of the most positive pieces of feedback for these is the taste. Now, the strawberry ones, which is what most people are familiar with, those taste amazing. Like, it tastes like candy. It tastes like effortless, right? And the tropical citrus, this was my first time trying it. These are actually really good too. It tastes like candy. It's like, there's added sugars, of course, but it's not too sweet. So whenever I have a good gummy vitamin that tastes good and it's not too sweet, that's a plus for me. It's easy to chew too. There are some gummy vitamins that are like tough to chew, that get stuck in your teeth, that you gotta, you know what I'm saying? You gotta chew very hard and get the stuff out your teeth. These are not like that. This is a very soft gummy, so it's easy to chew. Now, I have seen online or some, forums where people have reported that it actually had negative effects on their skin. They have had rashes, breakouts. Now, I think when it comes to vitamins and it comes to your overall lifestyle and wellness, you need to take note of what is your lifestyle like. I mean, I've had this issue. I've talked about this on this channel where I've tried new things and then I've had reactions, but I've tried multiple things at once and it has caused my skin to break out. And sometimes you cannot, one of my biggest lessons, this is with a vitamin, this is with the hair, skin, any type of wellness product, you cannot introduce too many things at once. Introduce one new thing at a time, please, y'all. If I can't say anything else, I don't care if you're having the biggest reaction of your life, the biggest breakout of your life. Personally, I suffered from adult acne a couple years ago, and I'm trying to finally balance my hormones and figure out what's going on. But at the time, my point in saying this is you could think that this is what caused your reaction, but you have to, is this the only change that happened at the time that you used them? Were you starting a new skincare product at the same time as you introducing these to your body? Did your lifestyle change? Did you have increased levels of stress? So everything plays a factor, and I'm not going to say these vitamins or any vitamins are a sole miracle worker. Like, yes, they help. Yes, I've personally seen improvements. I've seen consistencies with my skin when introducing these to my body, but you have to really ultimately take care of yourself holistically. I say this on my channel all the time. I say this to people who I encounter. It's a holistic thing. You can't just take vitamins solely and think that it's a miracle worker or it's going to magically solve all your problems, but it is something that helps. So for the negative feedback, I can't speak for other people, but if you are or have read those stories, maybe be considerate of the fact that they may have been introducing other things to their skin or their hair. Even with I did a Nails review a couple of years ago, I think at this point, and this was before all the Nails people were saying their hair was falling out and all this stuff. And I haven't had that experience. And even at the time of me filming the video, I hadn't heard anybody say it. Otherwise, I wouldn't have bought and tried the product. But you have to consider other things. I don't know. I don't know if the product formulas, whatever, I don't know. But I do know that you have to take into consideration what else is going on with your body. Are you introducing to your body before you claim that a product has failed you, pretty much. This is just me personally. I'm using these right now. I bought these with my own money. Does not sponsor anything. I do use Black Girl vitamins. I have used Health by Habit vitamins. So I've tried a few, but I do not introduce a bunch at once. I don't even alternate with my vitamins. I will use one consistently for like this 90 days. I won't be using any other hair, skin, nail vitamins or vitamins with these same specific vitamins inside of them. I'll take a break, finish this off first, assess my skin, my health before I introduce a new one or go back to an old one. Now, let's talk really quick about expertise when it comes to vitamins in general, because like I said, I do these videos. I will share products that I'm using because I think it's important. I think it's helpful in helping you purchase or make a purchasing decision. I'm not going to ever force anything on you. I'm not going to ever say you need this. This will 1000% work for you. But I just want to share what works for me or what I'm using and give some honest opinions and feedback, because this is what I look for when I'm trying to buy something. Like, what are people saying about it? Has it worked for people? Has it worked for people who look like me? Blah, blah, blah. Now, here's what the experts say. Dermatologists highlight that supplements should support and not replace a balanced diet. So don't think that you don't have to eat healthy, take vitamins and you'll be okay. It's not meant to replace food vitamins, nutritious vitamins that you eat and that you put into your body. This is just a supplement. This is just to support in addition to having a healthy diet when it comes to your food. You also have to be careful. Expertise will tell you this. Dermatologists will tell you this. Doctors will tell you this. Some people get out of hand. So, for example, when it comes to biotin, for example, we all know biotin supposed to make your hair and nails grow. And some people excessively consume biotin when it comes to like supplements. You can't be taking a one a day that has biotin, a hair, skin, nail that has biotin. there are dangers to taking too high of a dosage. So make sure, and that's with any vitamin. So make sure you're paying attention to that. You shouldn't overuse or over excessively use anything, especially like vitamins. So be careful. Don't try to speed up the process by taking 10,000 mcg of biotin and thinking your hair is going to grow within a week. You could really be doing some harm to your body by doing that. Also, I want y'all to remember, I know this is the world's best video, and I know this is, we're reviewing these, and these are great. They taste good. They have done the job for me. Don't forget that you need to exercise. You need to drink plenty of water. You need to get the proper sunlight. You need to do all these things, because this alone is not going to make your hair, skin, nails thrive. Like, it's going to help and support, but it's not going to do it all. You have to have a healthy lifestyle. I'm telling y'all, because I've been on my soft girl journey for a while now, and sometimes I fall off. Let's be clear. I'm not perfect, and consistency is tough. But you have to get back on track. You have to do all the other good things in addition to taking your vitamins and supplements, okay? All right, now in this part of the video, we're just gonna break down and simplify the pros and cons, especially if you are literally in the moment right now debating on buying these. So I have a list. Pros: they are tasty and easy to take every day. They are affordable and widely available. That's a super pro, because I don't like to have to wait. I'm not gonna compare too much to Black Girl Vitamins, because I love them, I really do, and I'm gonna continue to support the brand, but they're not as accessible. And that's, one of the things I can't wait for them to continue to grow and be accessible. But these, you can literally go anywhere. You can go to your drugstore, you can go to Walmart, whatever, you're going to find them. May not always find this flavor, but you're going to find them. So it's widely available. They provide high dose of beauty nutrients, so like the biotin, vitamin E, vitamin C, all of that stuff. They are also good for those dietary gaps. And again, you are not using these to replace your diet or your nutrition, but it is good to kind of supplement and kind of fill the gaps. Now the cons, because we're going to be transparent in every video. Every time we're talking about a product, every time we're doing a review, whether I have 60 subscribers or 60 million, we're going to keep it a buck. Okay. So the cons: they definitely contain added sugars. Okay. Clinically, they're not proven to be superior. So, these vitamins and all that stuff go through different clinical trials and stuff like that. So they're not clinically proven to be the best of the best. There are potential side effects like allergic reactions or other things. And again, that's with anything that we ingest, honestly. So you have to be mindful of your body, know when something is off. So there could be side effects, just like with anything. And then the last thing, there are high doses of biotin and stuff in here. So sometimes excessive nutrients may be wasted or pose a risk. So just know your body. Make sure you're consulting with your doctor before you're consuming or trying new things. Me personally, I've always had pretty normal health. I haven't had any major health issues. So I think that's one of the reasons why I can try new things and new products and stuff like that without too much risk, because I've, for the most part, I'm healthy. But if you have an illness, if you have medical conditions, or if you have a history of medical conditions, you definitely need to be consulting with your healthcare provider before trying vitamins and things like that, or new vitamins and things like that. Okay. Get the expert advice. Don't be coming to me saying you told me to buy this and it was great and I got sick. No. I give you a review. I let you know my thoughts, what I'm trying, and you take it with a grain of salt. Okay. All right. So within, okay, what's the verdict? Are these the world's best hair, skin, nail vitamins for women? Of course, I cannot say they're the best. Okay. I have tried others. I have, it's all about what you're looking for, but I do like these. They taste good. I will continue this 90-day, bottle. I will finish it. I paid my money for it. But I think I will go back to my Black Girl Vitamins. I'm just trying to continuously find the right vitamin combination for me. I just tried, haven't tried it yet. I just ordered the Black Girl Vitamins PCOS vitamins, which I think has raspberry and mint in it. And my skin has come a long way, but it's not perfect. It's not like it used to be. And I self-diagnosed myself with maybe having PCOS because I've had like some unwanted like facial hair and hormonal acne and things like that. So I'm going to try those, and I will, once I get them, Once I, try them for at least a couple weeks, I will come back to y'all with a review on those and see how it works. See how it's, working for me, because I know I'm not the only person suffering with that. So World's Best, I'm not going to say that, but I will say this is one that's easy to take. It tastes good and it's budget friendly. So if those are some of the things that you're looking for, and it works, it does help promote hair growth and hair health, skin clarity, nail strength, nail length. It definitely helps with all of that. But you got to remember to keep taking care of yourself. So I think these are a great option if you're looking for something affordable that tastes good for your hair, skin, nail journey. Definitely try these if you haven't already. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, have you tried these before? Have they worked for you? Have you had allergic reactions to these? Let us know in the comment section, because really at the end of the day, this is to help the woman trying to find the best option. Does it work? What are the, if it affected you, why do you think it affected you? Blah, blah, blah. Let's talk about it in the comment section so we can help the other ladies out there on their wellness journey, on their self-care journey. That's what we're all about over here. Again, y'all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe. I am really on a journey to growing as a content creator and providing you guys with all the health and wellness tips, all of the things to live a healthier, more beautiful life. Because at the end of the day, I am a girl. I'm just a girl who's been through hell and back, and just trying to live a happy, healthy, healed life. And I want that for all of the ladies in my community. We deserve it, y'all. Okay, we deserve to live the best life possible, because I know so many women who are just strong, the strong friend, the one that's always there, the one that works so hard, and we deserve to take care of ourselves, and that's from the inside out. Okay, so stay tuned for more videos on taking care of yourself, wellness, from the mental, to the physical, what we're putting in our body, how we're presenting ourselves, all the things. I'm just excited to continue this journey, because it's not an easy one. And yeah, I took my vitamins. Let's get the day started. Thank you guys for watching. I will see y'all in the next video.